GATE examination lasts 7 days. What you should actually do. Now, for GATE, it is really important that you have a strong conceptual build up and you practice the PYQs, the past year papers, very carefully. Specifically, work on the questions which are cutting edge. For example, numerics, multiple select questions, which are usually not part of the other exams that you are appearing for. Now, the first 2 to 3 days, you should exclusively focus on practicing MCQs, the past papers, and this would give you an idea about what are the topics you need to strengthen, what are the topics that you are already strong with. Specifically for humanities, there is a specific section on reading comprehension, so you need to prepare for that reading comprehension as well separately. For all other subjects, it's just the general aptitude which is asked. So be it any subject that you are preparing on doorstep, make sure that you keep flagging the questions as you go, and on the last day you come back on the questions that you have flagged and revisit those questions. So when you are attempting the questions, when you are attempting the PYQs, you would see the option to flag. Now once you flag, towards the last day you can come back on the questions that you have flagged, and that is a very good way to revise. Now also from the questions that you have flagged, you would identify which topics you need to strengthen on, and for those topics you can go back and watch the videos for better conceptual clarity. Now this strategy would help you strengthen the areas in which you are not that conversant and would definitely help you build up more marks. So on the last day, you can try practicing the mock test that we have provided, and this would be a good way to actually practice and prepare yourself for the last day. Wish you all the best. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.